Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Win with Ryan, where we surf the crypto markets, we search the headlines for crypto news, and we surf the world. So today, we got some good news. We got some great news, actually. The last video we did on XRP, we talked about a potential incoming upsurge for XRP. Looking at the charts, which we'll go over here in just a few minutes, looks like that may be in the cards. It's already starting to move up, which is really great. So I know XRP Army, super stoked on that. So we're really excited about some XRP news. Also, we have a winner for the contest that we did on the channel. The contest winner is Kicking It Martial Arts, and we'll go ahead and show that channel here in just a minute. Kicking It Martial Arts, congratulations. Reach out to me on Instagram at Win with Ryan, and you'll be able to choose from the Wavestorm surfboard or the Ledger Nano X, whichever one that you would prefer. And we'll get that sent out to you. Also, if you guys want, I Am Winning merch is available. IamWinningStore.com. IamWinningStore.com. Go check that out. So let's go ahead and jump into price analysis for XRP and see what's going on in the charts and what's going on in the news. XRP USDT. After hesitating near the 60 cents for the past few days, the bulls are currently attempting to propel the price above 65-cent overhead resistance. This level is likely to act as a stiff resistance because the price has turned down from it on 5 different occasions. And you can see that here on the chart, turned down from it here, 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 and also here. So it went up and tapped that 65-cent level and then dropped back down. However, the rising 20-day EMA of 53 cents and the RSI above 65 suggests the path of least resistance is to the upside. If the bulls can push and sustain the price above 65 cents, the XRP USD pair could rally to 78 cents and then $1. This bullish view will invalidate if the price turns down and breaks below the moving averages. Such a move will indicate that the traders are selling on rallies. That could keep the pair range bound between 42 cents and 65 cents for a few more days. All right, so here we have the daily chart. And as we've talked before, obviously it ran up way above 65 cents in the past, above 75 cents even. And then it came back down and was hovering there. Then the news of the lawsuit hit and it absolutely tanked the price all the way back down to 17 cents. And then we've been on a steady climb continuously for quite some time now, which is nice. It has hit that 65 resistance a couple of times. It is currently moving up. And as you can see, the moving average right here is at 53 cents. And then also the 50-day moving average at 50 cents. So that is good because before, they were way down here at 35 cents and they're continuing to grow up and up and up and up, which is great. So you're seeing an uptrend positive move for XRP. Also down here in the RSI, we're at a 65. So we're not even at 70 yet. And usually when we get to the 70 range in the RSI, it really takes off to the next level. So we could see a nice boost move here for XRP, as I was talking about in the previous XRP video. You can go ahead and check out. I know a couple of people in the comments were like, whoa, what a boost, blah, 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 right? Because they were expecting it to go to like 65 cents in one day or something like that. But price takes time to move, right? So sometimes you will get a big boost, but a lot of times you got to be patient with your coins, got to hold them, got to have those diamond hands, and then also wait for them to keep the move up. Now, that is why we are doing these price analysis though, because if it does start to break down here and then have a severe drop, we want to be in the know before that happens as well. All right, and here is the winner that we just talked about. We're going to go over the live charts here in a minute. I just wanted to say congratulations to Tommy Barker's Kicking It MMA Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu channel, Kicking It Martial Arts. Thank you so much for being a subscriber, and reach out to me on Instagram at Win with Ryan, and we can get that out to you as soon as possible. All right, so here we have the live charts for XRP, and this is the daily charts, and we'll break it down to the hourly charts here in a minute. This is kind of what we covered in just a minute ago. But as you guys can see, we were in a symmetrical triangle, and this is what we covered on the previous video. And the symmetrical triangle was here. It was back basically on the 16th or 17th, maybe the 20th of March that we covered it. And the breakout did happen, right? So it did end up jamming down into the wedge. The price did wedge down and then it broke above. So we talked about it could potentially break down, which would be bad news for XRP holders, right? But the good news is it broke above. And when it breaks above, the potential breakout, if it can break above that 65 cent mark, which it did tap actually today. So if you take a look here today, it went up and it tapped that 65, 64 cent mark again and turned down. And it is currently in a down, but we can have positive momentum tomorrow or possibly even ending today's candlestick, which ends in an hour and 45 minutes roughly. But the target for the price breakout is all the way up here at 98 cents. And the reason we got that target is if you take the back end of the triangle and you measure that, and then you just take that measurement and you place it at the breakout of the tip. So we can even go here where it broke out, boom, right there. So you're looking at $1 as far as the target price for XRP. So it's looking good, looking positive. It did break to the positive side of the symmetrical triangle, did not break to the negative side. But at the same time, it could come down and retest at 51 cents and then finally take its breakout above up to the $1. So keep an eye on that. Let's go ahead and check the 1 hour chart and see what that looks like. All right, so here we have the 1 hour chart. It is in a positive uptrend right now. I know it's coming down here a little bit, but that is okay because it is still trending up as far as price goes, which is obviously a good thing for XRP holders, XRP Army. So it's gonna tap off of the potential trend line here. As you can see, it's coming down, and we're gonna go ahead and switch this over to the line graph as well so we can get this right lined up there. Boom. All right, so it's touch point here, 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 and now it's touching the resistance line. So we should see a bounce above the resistance line here, the short-term 1 hour resistance, or it could break down and come back down below to the 50 and then do a retest. So we're gonna be watching that over the next hour or two to see where this thing goes as far as price goes for XRP. Now let's go ahead and check the XRP score. So here is Cointelegraph Markets Pro. I just wanted to show you guys the dashboard here so you can take a look what is looking very, very positive. So you got Audius, you've got Handshake, Arweave, and then the bottom side of the spectrum, you have Ampleforth, StormX, and Tron having a lower score. So let's take a look at the top 6 of the scores. So we got Audius, Handshake, Arweave, as we mentioned, but you also have Maker, Elrond, and KuCoin that is in the top 6 of the highest Vortex score. And then in the bottom 6, we have Ampleforth, StormX, Tron, Serum, Icon, and Kyber Network for the bottom. Now here we have the Vortex score for XRP. Vortex score is currently at a 56. The market cap is down only 1%, 27 billion. Volume is up tremendous, like crazy amounts. Look at that, 47% pump of volume, $7 billion worth of volume coming into XRP. That is probably why we have that massive pump up, which is positive. And then you have the tweets. Everyone is getting back on board with XRP. The XRP Army is stepping back up and starting to pump the information about how positive Ripple XRP is. You can also see here a month ago, the latest news was Ripple and MoneyGram wind down partnership, and that was the negative news. Let's check the monthly score here. As you can see, starting back on, let's see, March 24th, it's been a solid progression going up as far as price goes. And then the score has just been kind of in that same range of about 50 to 60. So that's the information that we have on XRP at the moment. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to reach out down below in the comments. Please hit that thumbs up button. It helps spread the word of the channel. And also congratulations to Kicking It Martial Arts on winning your Wavestorm surfboard or your Ledger Nano X. We will be having a new contest coming out within the week, so keep an eye out for that. Hope you guys are staying in the markets. Hopefully the markets are in your favor. Talk to you later.